आपने शायद ही सुना होगा नाम मिस के कल्पना का, जो एसोसिएट प्रोजेक्ट डायरेक्टर चंद्रयान-3 में अपना योगदान दे चुके हैं। मुझे इस बात का बहुत गौरव है कि आज चंद्रयान-3 के बारे में जब बात होती है तब हम विश्व के चौथे वो देश हैं जो चांद के इस मिशन में सफल हो चुके हैं। मुझे इस बात की बहुत खुशी है कि जहाँ पर विक्रम लैंडर पहुँचा उसको शिव शक्ति के नाम से प्रधानमंत्री जी ने सम्मानित किया, और आज जिनके कर कमलों से, जिनके योगदान से, जिस टीम की वजह से तिरंगा पॉइंट अब चांद पर है, ऐसे के कल्पना हमारे साथ है। कल्पना जी, आपका स्वागत है। चेन्नई में आप पली बड़ी, आपके पिताजी कोर्ट में सरकारी मुलाजिम के नाते सेवा देते रहे। एक तरफ अन्नपूर्णी जी हैं जिनके परिवार में गीत संगीत का बहुत एक रुझान रहा लोगों का, दूसरी तरफ निगार हैं जो एक ऐसे परिवार से हैं जो खेती का काम करते हैं। नंदिनी चाहे कितना भी मुस्कुराए लेकिन उनकी प्रेरणा ये भी कि उनकी माताजी मैथमेटिक्स से जुड़ी हुई थी। आपके परिवार में ऐसा कोई व्यक्ति था जो विज्ञान या गणित से जुड़ा था?
Firstly, thank you, madam, for inviting for this event. Actually, in my family, I was the first engineer to come up, and particularly a woman engineer to come up. So all the inspiration came from my mother. She was not a working woman; she was a housewife, but she had given me the utmost encouragement, because when I was really interested in taking up engineering, it was my mother as well as my father who gave all the encouragement. Otherwise, at that point of time, without their support, it wouldn't have been possible, because I come from a very normal family where at the most the jobs which were taken up was either a teaching job or a banking job that was felt apt for women. At that point of time, it was my parents who gave me the utmost encouragement to pursue.
और चंद्रयान-3 की सफलता के बाद परिवार ने क्या कहा?
At most, it was it's a combinational feeling like satisfaction, pride, and seeing their daughter coming up, my parents, because that particular landing event, all my family had sat together and watched. My parents, my sisters, everyone, all together had sat and watched that live. And when that moment really happened along with us, along with the country, it was my family also there who enjoyed that moment, and they were really I think satisfaction and pride. It was a combination of both.
कल्पना, कभी ऐसा लगा पूरे अपने कार्यकाल में, सिर्फ एक मिशन में नहीं, लेकिन एक महिला जो इंजीनियर बनती है जबकि परिवार में कोई इंजीनियरिंग में नहीं है, एक महिला जो फिर इसरो में काम करती है जहाँ पर परिवार में आसपास के लोगों में कोई भी ऐसा नहीं है जो किसी स्पेस मिशन से जुड़ा हो, कोई ऐसा मुकाम आया ज़िंदगी में जब सोचा कि बस I can't do more?
Never, because the missions which I had taken up were always challenging missions, and it was a lot of interest. It was with interest we were working. I think that interest itself fuels our work, whatever we take up. I think that only gives the utmost encouragement. So there was never such a moment, and even the family was so supporting. I think yes, there are difficult moments. I don't say that there are no difficult moments. Difficult moments are always there, but that's how when we are working as a team, that encouragement comes among our team itself. So when we are working as a team, the challenging moments and difficult moments are handled by our team together. Actually, we cross that, because Madam, Chandrayaan-2 itself is an example where we really didn't achieve what we wanted. So in spite of all the hard efforts we had put in, Chandrayaan-2 was a totally different mission compared to the previous missions. We did put our best efforts, but it did not go as it happened. That itself is an example. But that's when we came back as a team together. It is the best example for resilience, I would say, Chandrayaan-2 to Chandrayaan-3.
तो जैसे कि कल्पना जी ने कहा कि हाँ, चुनौतियाँ आती हैं। चंद्रयान-2, चंद्रयान-3 में सफलता और असफलता का एक फासला था जो उन्होंने तय किया, क्योंकि संकल्पित थे कि हमें किसी भी कीमत पर मिशन को सक्सेसफुल बनाना है, मतलब सफलता को पाना है, सिर्फ अपने लिए नहीं, इसरो के लिए नहीं, देश के लिए।